Bindi, what you want? What you want? Tell me about it. Bindi, do you want water? Are you thirsty? Are you thirsty, Bindi? Do you want to... Are you hungry? Do you need to potty? You have to go potty, Bindi? Tell Daddy. Go potty. Tell him. He just looks at you. Potty, Bindi. Go potty. Go. Go potty. Do you have to go potty back? Okay, tell Daddy. He's right there. Tell him. Go potty. Go potty. Go potty. No, you don't have to potty.
No, considering she was out less than 30 minutes ago.
Well, she may have to go again. You had to go potty, Bindi. She's looking at you. She says, come on, dummy. Take me potty. Go potty. Go potty.